Another very important properties on user form is the show modal. By default, it is set true, and let's create a command button here and say double click selection dot font dot bold, for example, equal true. Okay. Allow me to call it from the macro, sub my macro, and user form one.show, or we could load it. And if I add some text here, of course, if I select some part of my text first and go to developer and call my macro, run it, and click on that, that's gonna be bold. But I cannot interact with Microsoft Word while this form is running. So what can I do? Actually, simply I could select my form, and on the show modal, I could set it false. Now let's run this macro again. Macro and run macro. Although this form is running, now I could actually interact with Microsoft Word and start working. So allow me to bring it back, select these and bold. If you want to do that via the code, actually you have to call it. Allow me to go. And while on the macro, you're calling that, allow me to first actually disable the modal. Okay, set false. On the macro, while you're calling, you could say VB, as you see here written, it is modal. And we have, instead of modal, we have modulus. So if you set modal false, actually it is modulus. Now again, if I start running this form, there it is, I could select it and make it bold.